In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Airtable. This process will help you set up a custom customer relationship management system, tailored just to your needs using the power of Airtable. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. First, what you want to do is head over to Airtable's website. If you haven't been there before, Airtable is a cloud collaboration service that competes with the likes of Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel by providing a user-friendly interface and advanced functionality that supports more complex databases. It's a flexible platform to bring your data to life with a wide variety of template options and integrations. Once you're on the Airtable homepage, take a look up at the top right corner and locate the Create button. Give it a click. This step takes you one step closer to building your own app from scratch. Now you might be wondering, why build an app on your own? The benefit is customization. It allows you to mold the CRM to precisely fit your business processes. Now when prompted, you need to select Build an app on your own. It's a simple option that will allow us to tailor the Airtable interface for optimal CRM functionality. This choice will give you the flexibility to start from ground zero, ensuring every tool and feature is aligned with your business workflow. Next up, you'll need to enter something in the next field. Simply type in Build a CRM for me. This phrase is designed to guide Airtable as it sets up an initial framework for what will soon be your custom CRM. Using this helpful start-off point, Airtable will prepare a base, providing an excellent foundation for tracking leads, managing contacts, and overseeing company interactions, three essential elements in every CRM. Now you'll see options for different templates. First, click on Tracking Leads. This is a crucial component as it helps you manage prospects and potential sales throughout the marketing funnel. With this option, you're now equipped to handle incoming leads more efficiently, converting prospects to loyal customers. Following that, the next template to focus on is Managing Contacts. This is where you'll store all information related to individual contacts within your database. A well-organized contact management system ensures that you can readily access details about your interactions, communication history, and other relevant data points for each customer or client. Once your contacts are sorted, it's time to focus on companies. This segment allows you to keep track of all the businesses you deal with. By consolidating company information right alongside your individual contacts, your CRM becomes a powerful tool for B2B relationships. Lastly, just ensure everything is saved properly by clicking on Companies again to see everything fall into place neatly. That's your CRM built in Airtable. It's personalized, user-friendly, and set up for your specific requirements. This whole setup process through Airtable isn't just about organizing data. It's about enhancing productivity, improving customer relationships, and driving your business forward. By following these steps, you'll have a streamlined CRM ready to handle your business needs smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.